Hello and welcome to another video on getting the most out of Canva for your travel business. In this video, I wanted to share with you some logo hacks that'll make your logo easier to work with in your Canva designs. Now this follows on from the branding kit video number 2, and I'll pop the link below in case you missed that one. Now again, I'm using one of my brand collections designs, and this is the fun and joyful fairy dust. Now again, this tutorial uses Canva Pro features. If you do want to do this at home but do not have Canva Pro, I will share with you my partnership link for a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro. Now your logo goes on everything, and I highly recommend, if you can, getting an SVG version. An SVG is an image that is a high quality image, and when used in Canva can have like a transparent background, and you have the ability to change the colors. So if you have created your logo in Canva like I have, let me show you how to download the SVG file. So once it's ready to go, we want to come up the top to share, and then we want to click to download. Now we want to select our file type, so we want to use our drop down and change it to SVG, and then to get rid of the purple background, we want to select to have a transparent background and then hit download. Now what we want to do is we want to put our logo into our brand kit. So to do that, we want to come over to the side here. Now if the menu isn't here, we just click up the top to open the menu, and then we want to come down and select a brand here, and then up to where it says brand kits. So you can see that I have a fairy dust brand kit almost set up. So I just want to open that one up, and you can see that I've got the color palette here, including black and white, as well as the fonts that I have selected with that particular brand collection. Now, if I click up the top here to add my logo that we just downloaded, we click open, and once that has uploaded, there's no need to save. Canva will automatically update our brand kit. So let's go ahead and create a design, and I will show you, let's just do an Instagram post, and I'll show you how versatile this SVG file is. So let's find our logo. Now to do that, we want to come over to the side and click on brand here, and you can see that we've got our brand kit, so our logo, color palettes, here are our fonts, and then if you have any of these ones set up. Now if you haven't set your brand kit up, brand kit video number 2 shows you how to do that. So let's just click on our logo, and that is just going to put our logo straight in the middle of our design. Now let's make it a little bit bigger so that we can actually see what we're working with. Now when the logo is highlighted, you can see up the top here that we have all of our colors. So this is picking up the colors from the SVG file. Now you do have the flexibility to actually be able to go and change these individually. So say for example, if I wanted to change the name from this purple to, let's have a look at our color palette, to this darker pink shade, then that's how you can go ahead and individually change each one of those colors if you wanted to go ahead and do that. If I just pop that all back. The other way that you can have Canva pre-select from your brand kit is to again come over to the side menu, but go all the way up to where it says design. Now beside the word where it says templates is this styles. So if we click on this, you can see that our fairy dust collection, which is our brand kit, is sitting there with our fonts but also our color palette. So what we can do is we can click on this color palette, and Canva will automatically shuffle through all of our colors and give us different options. So this is really good if you are doing anything in bulk creation, or you just want a different look to your design. Canva will automatically shuffle through your color palette. So that is a really simple way on how to just see different versions of your logo. Now, if you do want to create a logo like this at home, I have a free Canva tutorial that shows you step by step on exactly how I created this. And again, I'll pop the link in the video description below. So I hope that this video was helpful, and if you want more Canva for your travel business, you can subscribe here to my YouTube channel, or you can join the conversation in my Facebook group, Canva Made Easy for Travel Agents. But that's it until the next video. See you!